Morning everyone, 25th of March today, day 2 of the UK lockdown. This could quite possibly be my last shift. We'll have to take down that bridge job today. It's completed, so you need to get that steel out of the way, get the bridge running. No one going to be around much to keep an eye on it and things like that, so I've got to go in, get it out the way, make it safe. So that's our job today, and then after that, same as everybody else, I think, that's stuck in the house. I might phone agency to see if they need anyone to deliver food. I mean, the likes of this guy here on the left is not essential. It's not important that you're getting these cars delivered to garages and things like that, so he sat there laid up, quite happy to sit there. We need to get the food and supplies out there that are needed in this tricky situation. More than tricky situation, serious stuff. So if they're needing drivers, I've spoken to a couple of the lads and it's fine, like, you know. So far there's plenty of stuff, there's plenty of food going up and down, just normal. Hopefully they don't have to get out the wagons, like, and surely the food companies aren't that stupid. Just get it, yeah, go in, show the paperwork, even if it's through the window. They know who you are, most of them. Get out, get your doors open, back it on, get the food off or the supplies, and then out, back the yard. You can even leave the keys in the vehicle when you get the yard, after a hygiene wipe down or something like that, I'm sure. I don't know. Unfortunate enough, my boss is going to take care of us, whereas when agency, you don't drive, you don't get paid, and they will not do a damn thing for you. You get holiday pay, that's been accrued and whatnot, but other than that, you're on your own. So I really do feel for the agency drivers that have found themselves out of work for this time being. And for me, those lads are the ones that should be jumping in to do all the fridge work, deliveries and things like that, ahead of somebody like myself who's got a job. So I will speak to them. I think I'll talk to my boss first to see. I want to try and help out if I can, do a little bit of standby work, but literally it'll just be like picking up food, dropping it off, with less traffic on the road. I was really surprised yesterday how busy it was when we went to our job in Newcastle, how much traffic there was on the road. We weren't working right up until Michael Gove said, construction, yes, you can. If you're working outside, separation, that's not an issue for us, because there's never normally a lot of people around us. Certain jobs, we knew that job that we had yesterday, and the job we've got today, there's only 2 of us, there won't be anyone else. But they use the high ab to try and lift some of the heavy stuff from the side of the bridge on. It'll be interesting. So that's the plan. I'm meeting them in the yard at 7. By the time I'll have the checks done, the card ready, gates open, ready to go. Get it done, get back to the yard, get it emptied, get home and wait for further instructions from either Boris or someone else. It is what it is. Just gotta do it. Got loads I can be doing at home. If I am locked down like everyone else for the next 3 weeks or however long it's going to take. And I'll get quite a bit done. Indicators don't work in Newcastle this morning. The last 2 vehicles. Start speeding up there, the little bugger. Luckily this has got a bit of a kick. I'm sitting here at 70. Now she's passing again. Sit on the outside lane and now. Oh dear me! Move! What a man gotta say! Right. Get you in the truck as long as he's not with us. I think we're going in separate vehicles to maintain that separation. So I'll catch us in a bit if I am free in the lorry. Whoop, whoop. Bye, it's a real bumpy road this. I'm nearly at my job. There's a few wagons on the road, like skip wagons and things like that. A few vehicles, not a great deal. A1 was really quite quiet, so that's good. But my job's just around this corner. Over here, like I know I'm level with the river, so I've got to climb, like drop down a bit. Beautiful, beautiful day today. My God. What time is it? It's 10 to 8 and it's 10 degrees. Could be in for a canny one. Gotta move like Jagger. Hopefully the highways guys are there. That's to enable us to get in right alongside the job, so we can get the steel straight onto the back of the wagon. Signs for our job here, and there's a big lay-by on the left hand side, so I'll tuck in there, I'll have a little walk up, see what the crack is. That's us done. Yeah, what time is it now? God knows. A couple hours work there, like a couple hours I'd say. Melting. It is so warm. I knew it was going to get warm today, but didn't need to do the high ab. A couple of lads there were happy enough to give us a hand to drag it along. Oh, some weight. It's only 10 o'clock. Oh my God, that's well. So I've not even needed to go and take a break and out, straight back the yard. Job done. Yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed that. the gaffer, like not this bloke here, but the gaffer from the job that inspected it. He just said, if only there was more people like you two. It's a nice compliment. Taking the Wooler Road, or Wool if you want. Quiet, good, it's what they're meant to be like. Just going to stay in the low 4th gear, let's get up this hill. Straight to 6, ease it off. About half an hour back to the yard, I think, something like that, a little bit more. 40 minutes. He asked if I'm just leaving the wagon. I'm like, no, I want to unload it. Thank you. Scared of coffee, though, like when you like normal. Nah, but is it? It's kind of that, isn't it? Everyone's like, It was funny that council that. Well, I mean the traffic unit lads and that. It's funny because there were 3 of them earlier on, 4 with the gaffer bloke, and they're all like more than 3 meters, 4 meters apart. It's not funny, but it was like funny watching it. Just here, Bridge Upper Crossing is the one that I done last time. Well, not last time, bridge before that one. Some guy in a van drunk, bombing down here. Didn't make this corner. See all the new brick. So we had to do similar kind of scuff build for them to get that fixed. It was back in December, end of November maybe. It was my fault that I lost my gear, so just drop it in the 4th again. Out and about, do what you want. 13 degrees. Feels a lot warmer than that after doing all that scaffing. That's for sure. That's a drink. Not much luck with this, man. So quite a bit in the summer you see me cooning around on the motorbike in areas like this. I'm up here, not massively, but I do quite enjoy, when I do come up here I do quite enjoy it. Well, Karen, at the moment, she's not been redeployed, is the word. Not yet, it's coming though. So, get that nice new motorbike and all she can do is sit and look at it. Pretty straightforward from here, so I'll switch off, just so I'll give you that nice view there, let it roll for a little bit more if you like, and I'll catch you on the next vlog.